Hey guys, you know that thing called Bop-It XT carabiner? Well, so people have been having problems with the pro mode, and it's not some people, all people that own this thing.
Bop-It to start. Expert, master, pro.
This.
High score 12.
You see, I have a high score of 12.
Yellow. Blue.
Watch.
Go. Oh.
But here is how you actually get a score in pro mode on this. First,
High score 12.
you have to do it fast enough
Yellow.
to get it to the last one. Watch.
Go. Purple. Go. Spinning. Go. Oh! Score 2.
Yeah, it's really hard. But if you're a pro at it, you'll actually get it.
Bop-It to start.
This is also a sequel to that other glitch where you can enable all the levels. Like, let me show you. I've actually done a video of it, so I'll put a link in the description. No, it's not there, but anyway, let me tell you what it is. So, it's the one where you hold down, pull it, and then you change the levels. And yeah, that one is pretty much built into this one.
Bop-It to start.
You don't need to do this
Expert, master, pro.
because
Novice, expert, master, pro. Novice. High score 74. Bop-It. Oh. Expert. High score 17. Bop-It. Oh ho ho ho. Master. Black. What?
haven't started master yet. But yeah.
Bop-It. Oh ho ho ho.
So yeah, the other Bop-It glitch video will be a link in the description. See you guys in the next video.